Okay. And that actually brings me to my last question. And that is so here at Bear County, you've got to email them, you got to set up an account on their county website, and then you've got to let them know exactly what you're looking for. They don't ask why. Um, so they say it takes like 8 to 10 business days to get back to me. I'm still waiting, but I asked them about the evictions, the water shutoffs, and the code violations. And what I'm wondering is, do you know people? Have you talked to them about they're legit getting them from the county? Because what I don't want is to wait 8 to 10 business days, and then they say, oh, we can't give you this information, and then I try again, and I'm going through half a month, a little more without those awesome lists.
Well, first of all, I would go in person. What San Antonio's county is
Okay.
called?
Bear, and it's spelled Bexar.
Jesus Christ. Why? All right, Bear County. I would just go to court records. It's probably all messed up, so I can't find it. Let me go try to
Mm.
just see what I can do. Yeah. Okay.
And I did
Mm,
go in person. I talked to everybody and told them what I was doing. And I basically told them I'm doing a little study. And that's why I need the information. And then once I went through that, a little objection wall, they'd say, okay, well, they'd ask around and everybody would say, yeah, you've got to make an account online and do it that way. So came home, did that, and hopefully it works well.
Okay. Well, I'm going here. Let
Hmm.
me show you what I'm finding. Um, have you tried online?
I have, and I can get the foreclosures online. They showed me that, but as far as the other ones, yep, that's it.
In public notice. What kind of public notices are we finding? So these aren't people. Yeah, I'm just trying to see. Like, I would call and see how you actually pull it on there because that might be it. Got public notice, foreclosures, plots, commission courts. That's kind of very broad. There's not much on here. Are these
Mm.
deeds? So like you see here.
Mhm.
Actually, this is the recorded date. So we can see here that we have a lien here for a Lucy. No, who's the name on this? Um, so the Maria Montanero.
Mhm.
This is her address. That's an IRS lien right there. I'd go after that too. You see that?
Where is this gold mine that you just found? I have been all over this website with people that work at the courthouse, and I haven't seen this.
So hold up, let me get it for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Um, paste in the comments, then
Cool.
go to private chat, and
Mhm.
I'll give it to you there,
Awesome.
dude. I don't do
And
anything fancy. I just
oh
Bear
yeah,
County Public Records, and I just sift through it. Um,
favoriting that page right now.
so IRS is probably what I'm seeing a lot.
Mhm.
Um, the IRS is probably the most
Sweet.
popular one. So maybe just
Yeah.
IRS liens you can get, but
Mhm.
I would play around with it, man. Like just start searching everything on there, and something's gonna
Mhm.
pop up really well.
Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, dude, that's great. I knew that you'd probably be able to find it really fast. Those websites, I guess once you get used to them, that you kind of are able to navigate them really
I do so
seamlessly.
many, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Because I
awesome.
have to show the VA. Hey, what? They're like, what
Right.
website? Yeah, I'm like, oh,
Yep.
and go. So, yeah, man, go after it, man. Start doing those lists less mind numbing, but
Yeah.
hopefully you start going after there and getting some deals.
Thanks so much, Zach, for everything you guys do, you and your dad, man. And I actually did.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.